So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy simple game in Scratch for beginners. So first let's go to Scratch. Scratch. First we click create. And then we are going to make a catcher game. So for that we need to get two sprites, the bowl and the apple. So first let's do the bowl and the apple. So after selecting the sprite, we are now going to write the code. So I'm going to write the code for the bowl. So we need the when right arrow key to move it right. So we drag that block. It won't move. Look, just press it and it won't move. So for that to move, we need the change X, which is the movement like this, to be 10. So when I click it, it moves 10 steps. So let's get another one for the left arrow also. X by -10. So it goes backwards. Okay. So the bowl's code is done. That's all we need. So it moves left and right. Now let's get to the code of the apple. So for this, we need to get a when flag clicked, and we need to make it fall. So let's get a forever loop because it's gonna fall for a very long time. So let's get y by 10 means it's gonna go up. So we need to make it -10. And it goes down. Okay, then when we click this, when we click the flag, we need it to start from a certain place. So I'll put it here. Go when flag click, go to that place, and then it will go down. So next we need a if then loop, if then statement. So when it touches the floor, we need it to go back up. So when we put the if then over there, and then we go to sensing, touching edge, means all of these four sides are edges. So if it touches any one of them, it'll come back. Touching edge, then we need it to go to a random place. We go to motion and then go to the position. So the height right now is 132, which is the height we want. The thing is the X is the random thing we want to change. So pick a random between this side, which is close to 240. So I'm gonna give 240, and the other one is also gonna be 240. So no, this is gonna be -240. -240 is this side and +240 is over here. Okay, so let's see. Touches the edge, spawns in at random positions. Okay, now we need to make sure it does the same thing when it touches the bowl. So we just need to get an if then statement. Touching bowl. So when it touches the bowl, the same thing should happen. So we take the same block and then we need to duplicate it. So I'll put the duplicate and the other one over there. And there. That's the apple and the bowl movement. Now we can pick a background. So let's go to the backgrounds. And I'm taking the forest. Okay. Yep. Now I'm adding a sound. So I'll go to the sounds tab The chomp noise is automatic with the apple. So let's go to choose sound. So I'm going to take this spine, and then we go to code for the apple. Okay. Then we go to sounds, and then we play sound coin under the touching bowl. So when the apple touches the bowl, it will make the coin sound. Right? We're missing. Yeah. Then I'm changing the speed of the bowl because it's going a bit slow actually. So I'm changing this 10 to 20 and this minus 10 to minus 20. Yeah, that's the perfect speed. So see you in the next video. So that's it. I'll play it for you in full screen. You can add lots of different scores and all sorts of other things. You can make different fruit fall. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.